What are you doing, Elena? Elena? What are you doing?
Mommy,
Yeah?
can you see it tiny with strawberry outside?
Yeah, I can see it. It's so cute, isn't it?
Mommy,
What?
I made my own little strawberry flower.
Did you? Wow, it's beautiful.
Dad, I made my own strawberry flower. Mommy, and I made this one a bit more bigger.
Yeah, it's really growing now.
This
Yeah,
one was grown up.
You did such a good job.
The strawberry is growing, Dad.
Is it?
Yeah. Mommy,
Yeah?
mine is very nice go to the plants.
You're so good to the plants.
Is the plant like yummy?
Yeah. Getting all their water from you.
Is the water sunscreen to help them grow?
No, the water is like a little drink for them to grow.
Is water plant's favorite drink?
Yeah. It's like your favorite drink, isn't it? Yeah. Okay.
My plant is growing. Mommy, so cute now.
So,
Mommy, is there only a few more days until it's fully grown?
I'm not sure. You have to ask Dad. I don't really know.
Dad, few more days?
Yeah.
Can't wait. This one's already good. Mommy, can we do a YouTube video